What's up, people? Hopefully yins all had a great Labor Day. I'm sure some of yins worked, maybe. Can't guarantee it, but hopefully you enjoyed it either way. I got a box from Rat, and Paul Schwoch did a Porsche challenge to show 10 different Porsche makes. So I'm going to start off with the things that Rat sent me. This puppy here is Radical Racer. It's a treasure hunt. You can see the symbol there. I don't believe I have this one. Cool. Thank you very much, Rat. The Chevelle, which is a cool piece. Treasure hunt also. You can see it a little bit there. Another cool piece. Then we have this C10 here from Independence Day, also by Greenlight. Cool truck. I like it. And then last, he sent me the, what is this, the Tuned Series? Yes, Tuned Series Mustang. Super treasure hunt. Big old motor. And that's what Rat sent me. Thank you very much, Rat. I appreciate that. You are the coolest rat I know, that's for sure. Okay, now I'm going to get to Paul's Porsche challenge. The first one I've had for quite some time, since I was a kid. And I don't know if this is a 998. I guess maybe that's what it is. Looks like a 993 on the bottom, but the door says a 998, so I'm going to go with a 998. Because the closer I looked at the bottom, yeah, looks like an 8. Has the Roll Riders on it from back in the day. Good ear on those. Cool. Metal base. Then we have, this is from the new, I think, Thrill Climbers. This is a Porsche 934.5. Good looking Porsche. Not the coolest car out of the set, but it's nice. So there's that Porsche. Then we have a 934 Turbo RSR. Great looking Porsche. And I believe this was a K-Days car, if I'm not mistaken. Which I'm sure Kmart's near Yin's guys are closed up also. Next we have a Porsche 911 GT2. Can't go wrong with some Porsches. They are great cars. Wouldn't mind owning one. Next, we have a 918 Spyder. In gray, black interior. Not a fan of it not having a top, but I imagine in real life maybe you can get one with a top or put a top on it. But it's a cool Porsche. Next one is a Carrera GT. Not bad. Not the best of Porsches. But it works. Hopefully these guys all cooked out today. Alright, this is a 911 GT3 RS. Pretty sick looking Porsche. This is a Zamac version. But either way, it's a pretty badass Porsche. No complaints from me. Next we have a Porsche 911. This is Atomica. Well done. The blue's not necessarily my color, but it's still badass. Got that puppy. Next is a son of a bitch, can't see it. A 964 maybe? Sure looks like a 964. This is the Magnus Walker with them wheels that slide in and out a little bit. This is the second release of it. The first release was more of a, I don't know, like a gunmetal gray or I don't know, it just looked different. I think this one looks a little bit better. Damn fine. RLC car. Yeah, that one. Next is one of my favorites. This is the RWB, which I don't even know what model it comes from. 930. But the lighting sucks, but there's interior in there, trust me. Looks good. This is a damn fine specimen. Happy to have this puppy. And the last one is a shit. Well, I don't know what the number is of this puppy. It says on the box. Oh, my kid just notified me and says, okay, it's a 993 GT2. But this is the Golf Porsche. Got this a while back. Spent a little bit of money on it. Now, not sure I would pay the price to have another one. But, damn fine. Well, that's it for the Porsche challenge. And then I'm going to show you this car. My son did. Put a bunch of camber on the wheels. Well, it doesn't roll on the shirt, but it does roll. The wheels do spin. It works better on like a table or something that's flat. But this is the Datsun from that premium box set thingy, which he sanded or filed the bottom and then polished it so it sits real low. You can see his axle tubes and all that. He just finished that up today. Pretty nice job. I like it. If you're into the Japanese car scene, or even like the JDM, that's what they do. But I like it. I think he did a fine job for his first one. Looking forward to see what else he does. But that is my video for today. I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking them out, leaving a comment, all that good stuff. I would tell you to hit the like button, subscribe and all that, but that's not me. If you don't want to watch the video, I don't care. Don't watch it. Don't even like it. Don't care. But for those, Rat, Mike Dyson, Nitro Speed, Fireman, Paul, Ron, Matchbox Man, Mountain Man, I mean, all you guys, I know you will watch it, and I appreciate it. And I thank you for that. But beyond all the normal people, don't care if you watch or not. So, anyway, hope you had a good Labor Day. If you haven't cooked out yet, because you're on the West Coast, get ready to. Make some burgers and dogs. Fry an egg. Put an egg on there also. Cannot go wrong with it. So, until next time, later.